Chapter 17. Modals. Can, may, should, must. Let's understand. Words such as can, may, should and must are called modals or modal verbs. These are a type of helping verbs that express ability and possibility as also asking or granting permission. You will learn about 4 sets of modals or modal verbs in this chapter: can or cannot, may or may not, should or should not, and must or must not. Can or cannot. Verb expresses. Example: can, our ability for doing an action. Avira can speak fluent French. Seeking permission. Can I switch off the TV? Asking. Granting permission. You can switch off the TV. Granting. Cannot. Denial of permission. You cannot switch off the TV. Our inability for doing an action. Avira cannot speak French fluently. A. Fill in the may or may not. Verb expresses. Example: may, seeking of permission. May I fetch you a glass of water? Granting of permission. Yes, you may. May not. Denial of permission. You may not. A point worth remembering is that can and may have the same function, but it is advised to use may when seeking or granting permission. This is because may is considered more polite than can. B. Fill in the blanks with may or should or should not. Verb expresses. Example: should, suggestions to do something. You should always respect your elders. You should give way to the ambulance. Should not, suggestions for not doing something. One should not tell a lie. One should not hurt anyone. C. Fill in the blanks with should or should, must or must not. Verb expresses. Example: must, the need or necessity for an action. We must conserve water. People must contribute in the safety efforts. Must not, a lack of need or necessity for an action. You must not peep through the keyhole. You must not speak loudly in the library. Note that should and must have more or less the same meaning. However, must is stronger than should, as must plus verb is a necessity. Students must wear uniform in the school. Should plus verb is importance. If you find someone's belongings, you should leave it in the principal's office. Do remember that can or cannot refer to our ability or inability to do something. May or may not refer to seeking or granting or denial of permission to do something. Should or should not refer to suggestions for an action. Must or must not refer to the need or necessity for something or the lack of it. Chapter